Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I'm here with the trade forecast on Gbpnzd about 500 pips right here. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. Alright, so let's get started right here. So what you always have to do, like always, you have to go to the higher time frame, right? So you go to the higher time frame, zoom out. Right now I'm on the daily chart right here. So you go to the higher time frame, and what you're trying to predetermine here is the overall direction of the market. So once you have that figured it out, what you have to do is go to the lower time frame. So right here, even on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we had a rally base drop supply zone right there. So we have to go to the lower time frame in order to determine where our order block is going to be, right? Okay, so right here it's much clearer on the 2-hour time frame right here. You can clearly see that we had a rally base drop supply zone right there with nice big momentum candles dropping to the downside. That's very important. You can clearly see that down here there was actually a break of character right here, which is very important. You have to make sure that you have a change of character right here. So what you have to do is you go to the lower time frame in order for you to predefine your order block. All right, so what is the order block? Order block is the footprint of the smart money in the market. All right, so you have to make sure that you find that, because at that level is where you expect price to come to. So here you can clearly see that we had that little consolidation below there, above there, which is our order block right there. So this is already the strong supply right there. So now we have our order block in place. We look for liquidity right here. You can clearly see that we had equal highs here, and you can clearly see that these equal highs were taken out by this big candle right there that actually got rejected from that level right there. But if you look here clearly, you're going to realize that the market, they didn't really come to this level right here. So if you try to zoom out here, the market didn't quite come to that level right there. So that's my anticipation. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to pull back into this level here. Then once the market comes to my level, I'll wait for my entry signals, then I'll be able to execute this trade. If the market doesn't do that, then I won't get involved. Okay, and the only way you can know that I've actually gotten involved is if you are part of our private community. So this setup plus more setups have actually been shared with our private community right here. So we are just waiting for the market to open, and once the market opens, we will be able to take these particular setups right here. So all these have been shared already with our private community, which we do on a weekly basis, and on a daily basis we're able to review and forecast more pairs just like that, so that we keep you in touch and also wait for the market to actually come to those levels right there. You can also mark this on your own so that you're able to actually track the market on your own, and like just waiting for me to actually send the signals. So it's like that. Otherwise, this trade looks really good. It's a really solid setup right here. You can tell it's that big momentum candles, which is a very key important thing to look for. Also liquidity here. We know that most people we actually taken out from here, so we now expect price to push back to this level. That's the only time I'm going to get involved. If the market continues to drop, I will not get involved. I'll wait for price to push back this level right here. If it does, then I'll potentially going to take this trade. So this trade is a 32 risk reward ratio trade. It's a 15 pip stop loss and the 500 pip target. That's a massive risk reward ratio. If you've seen our previous videos, you are going to realize that this is not actually far-fetched, because we do catch this number of pips in our private community. All right, so you do yourself a favor by joining us by using the first link in the description, which gives you access to the M&F mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals and a lot more benefits that you get, like weekly trade reviews and weekly trade forecasts like this one right here. You guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, I wish you all the very best.